Are you tired of clumpy drinks, messy spills, and dead batteries? Step into the future of mixing right now. Pure mixing science in the palm of your hand. Don't settle for ordinary, boring bottles.
Get the all-new Ecospin Bottle Delight. Call and order now.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we would like to present about our new physics innovation product called Ecospin Smart Blender Bottle. Let's go. First of all, we start with introduction. Ecospin is a portable blender bottle that uses the concept of rotational motion to generate its own energy without relying on large batteries or external charging. By simply utilizing manual or mechanical twists, it converts kinetic energy into blending power, making it a truly self-sustaining and eco-friendly solution for healthy living on the go. Other than that, there are few physics concepts that we need to combine, such as rotational motion, electromagnetic induction, thermodynamics, and energy efficiency.
So you guys want to know, right? What component does the bottle use and how does it work? So here we go. Moving forward, let's take a closer look at the actual anatomy of our product. On this slide, we have the complete structural breakdown and specification of the device. If you look at the product specification on the left, this is a highly portable 500ml capacity container. It's engineered with premium 304 stainless steel for both the inner and outer layers, featuring double wall vacuum insulation. This ensures your beverage stay at the perfect temperature, whether ice cold or piping hot, across a wide operational temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Despite all the technology packed inside, it weighs a sleek 400 grams and stands at 24.5 cm, making it exceptionally easy to carry. And the best part, the power source is entirely manual and self-powered, so no wall outlet or external charging cord required. So we move on to the right side. You can see an exploded view of the product component. It features a secure lid with an air vent, a mini generator housed near the top, a structural steel system, and a robust gearing system that connects directly to the manual crank handle. At the base, we have the blending blades, an integrated LED display module, and LED light, and an anti-slide base to keep everything steady while in use. So we move on to how it works. Now, you might wondering, how does all of this come together in real world use? So let's walk through the 4 simple steps of how it works. So for the first step, it all starts with the user interaction. You simply turn the crank handle. This rotational motion is smoothly transferred down to the internal blades and the generator. For step 2, this is where physics come into the play. The mini generator converts that mechanical energy from your hand cranking directly into any electrical energy. we move on to the step 3. That generated electricity immediately powers the built-in display and LED light, providing you with instant temperature readouts and visual feedback. For the last step, or step 4, simultaneously the blades rotate efficiently to blend your drink smoothly, giving you a perfectly mixed beverage anytime, anywhere, and completely off the grid. In the end, it's a perfect harmony of sustainable engineering and everyday convenience. So that's why you need to buy this bottle.
Now, let's move about the concept visit that we use in Ecospin Smart Blender. First concept is angular acceleration. When the crank is rotated, it causes a torque and make the blade spin with angular acceleration. The formula used is formula P equal to I times by A, which is P is torque, I is moment of inertia, and A is angular acceleration. This formula shows me that the relationship between torque and rotational acceleration. So let's move with the next concept of physics that we use in this Ecospin Smart Blender. Let's go! So the next concept that we use in Ecospin Smart Blender bottle is thermodynamic and heat transfer. Ecospin uses a vacuum insulated layer that reduces heat transfer and maintain drink temperature for a longer period. The formula involved is Q equal to ms delta T, which is Q is heat energy, M is mass, and S is for specific heat capacity, and delta T for change in temperature. The formula shows that the heat energy depends on the mass, specific heat, and change in temperature for the material, and also the specific heat depends on the material, which is with different materials absorb a different heat. So the last concept that we use in Ecospin, that is Smart Blender, is friction and efficiency. We use a ball bearing to reduce friction and efficiency, so the Ecospin Smart bottle can spin smoothly without the friction. So that's all for me.
So, pada final part, I will explain to you guys our last explanation and our conclusion. So, this thing have several smart feature, which is emergency LED, emergency light, auto lock system, and one important thing, low power energy, high efficiency operation. So, we highlight the efficiency word. In physics, efficiency represented by the formula useful output energy divided by input energy times 100%, where useful output energy is energy we successfully use, and input energy that supply for our product. So this show that this thing is maximizing energy use while minimizing energy loss. Okay. Next, I will tell you guys that these things is energy friendly. We don't need large battery for our bottle. Also, this thing show physics concepts can be used in a product, in a one product only. For the conclusion, I can say this Eco Bottle Smart Blender, Ecospin Smart Blender bottle representative the multiple physics concept that we can apply in our practical life in a practical and in creative way. So that's all.